Hello, this is Tada Aswatanabadi with experiment 5. For this experiment, I got the c-value of 1, so I need to prove theorem 8, which is x and y or c equal to x and y or x and c. This is the truth table for the theorem, and as you can see, only the bottom three condition is the one that have the result of 1. And the truth table have already proved that the theorem is true. This is the logic diagram. But let's verify using the Tinkercad circuit. So first, as you can see from the diagram, if x is not 1, nothing should be open. The result should also not be 1. So with 0, 0, 1 for both, it's not open. 0, 1, 1 also not open. 0, 1, 0 also not open, and we have already shown 0, 0, 0. Let me show it again. Next, for x equal to 1, so x equal to 1 should be the last case that give the result of 0. So first, let's start with 1, 0, 1. Now it's light up, which means 1, which is in line with what we know. It also works for the bottom circuit. And next, if y is 1, also, so 1, 1, 1 for both top and bottom, we would have the last case, which is also lit up. And for the last case that we are going to test would be x would be 1, 1, 0. So turn C off, and it's still open. So now we know that both of this circuit essentially give out the same result, which, as we can see here, we use OR gate for Y and Z first, and then we AND the result with with X together. So the top one correspond to X and Y or C, while the bottom one correspond to X and Y or X and C. Thank you for listening.